Hello there, this is Dixon from MathsWiz, where we teach mathematics and mathematical sciences. Welcome for this lesson. This is my first lesson in the series Chemical Equations. In this lesson, I'm going to teach how to write chemical formulas of ionic compounds. First, we give a definition of what chemical formulas are, and we say that these are descriptions of types and numbers of atoms of different elements present in a compound. In the process of writing chemical formulas of ionic compounds, we are going to follow the following steps. Step number 1, write the symbols of the cations and the anions present in the compound. Number 2, write the charge on each of the ion, the cation, and the anion in step 1 above. To know the charge of the cations and anions, we are going to refer to the periodic table of ions. Number 3, reduce the charges to the lowest ratio possible. Number 4, transpose only the number of the positive charge to become a subscript at the anion, and the number only of the negative charge to become a subscript of the cation. Lastly, write the formula. I'm now going to look at some examples of ionic compounds. My first example is magnesium chloride. In the first step, we write the symbol of the cation and the anion present. Symbol for magnesium is Mg. The chloride is Cl. Number 2, we write the charge of the cation and the anion. We use the periodic table of ions to determine the charges in the cation and the anion present. The cation present is magnesium, has a charge of positive 2. The anion present is chloride, has a charge of -1. Now we insert the charges we have got from the periodic table of ions. In step number 3, we transpose the numbers only of the charges. That is 2 from magnesium, we transpose it now to the chloride, and 1 from the chloride, we transpose it to magnesium. Our formula becomes Mg1Cl2. Now our formula becomes MgCl2. In the second example, we write the formula of sodium carbonate. In the first step, we write the cation and the radical present. The cation present is Na. The radical present is CO3. Next, after that, we refer to the periodic table of ions, where we get sodium has a charge of 1 and the carbonate has a charge of -2. We insert the charges at the respective position. In the next step, we transpose the numbers only of the charges. That is, the sodium will take the 2 from carbonate and the carbonate will take the 1 from sodium. Therefore, our formula is, we have Na2CO3. In example number 3, we write the formula of ammonium nitrate. We have ammonium is NH4 and nitrate is NO3. From the periodic table of ions, we learn that ammonium is a charge 1 and nitrate is charge -1. Therefore, we have +1 and -1. We now transpose the numbers. Ammonium will take 1 from nitrate and nitrate will take the 1 from ammonia. Therefore, the formula becomes NH4NO3. In the next example, we write the formula of zinc phosphate. In this case, we have the cation is zinc and the zinc is Zn. The anion is phosphate and phosphate is PO4. From the periodic table, we locate zinc and phosphate. Zinc is here, has a charge of 2, while the phosphate is here with a charge of -3. Therefore, we have a +2 there and a -3. In the third step of the process, we transpose the numbers only. The 2 from zinc will be taken by the phosphate. The 3 from phosphate will be taken by zinc. Our formula therefore becomes, we have Z3PO42. In our next example, we write the formula of iron 3 sulfide. The cation here is iron and the anion is sulfide. From the periodic table of ions, the charge of iron 3 is 3 plus and the charge of sulfur is 2 minus. We now transpose the numbers only. Iron takes 2 from sulfur, and the sulfur take the 3 from iron. Our formula therefore becomes Fe2S3. This is Dixon again from Maths Whiz. We hope you have enjoyed our today's lesson. Remember to subscribe to our channel and also give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for your watching.